Alrighty guys, looks like I got this thing turned on. I have pushed through the night to the wee hours of the morning. It is like 3:20 in the morning right now, and the port work is all done on this. I figured you guys would want to see it and the numbers. Now I'm going to give you two readings on this. I set, because this piston's on a taper and you got the distance of where the taper hits on the ring, that normally varies a few degrees. So on a ring, this is a 102 exhaust roof, but at first ray of light it cracks at 100, if that makes sense to you guys. I wanted 100 on the exhaust, so I used the ring because I knew I'd cut the piston on a taper, so I gave myself ample clearance to achieve what I was after. Now, I did not widen on this is a work saw. I did not widen the outside of the port. Maybe whatever it took me just to get it polished up. I did widen it a scooch on the inside. Cut the chamber. I set the transfers at 120, fired both of these ones at the same time on this one. I gave it a mellow lung. I could have went up quite a bit higher, but once again, this is a work saw. It is already exhibiting a little bit of wear on the intake skirt itself. So that's why I didn't go super duper big long. I did open the lowers. So if you go off from by where the edge of this piston cracks everything and where it shuts off at, it's 78 on the intake, it's 100 on the exhaust, 120 on the transfers. If I recall, I believe that's the same set of numbers that is in my personal work saw 461 with a taper top build too. I don't remember if I put it on this angle or not. And I don't remember if I used a pop-up piston and cut it on a taper, or if I used an OEM one. It's been too long. But I just thought you guys would want to see this. I did lighten the piston two ways. I went and cleaned up everything that needed to be cleaned up, and then also by cutting on the top of it. I will not be putting this together this morning because I'm going on no sleep. So I did get all the port work done. Very, very happy with how this turned out. Let's see, I'm going to dig out a boot just a second. Let's see here. Well, this has the big boot, so I've got the big boot here. So yep, I gotta wash the insides of this yet. Gotta wash that cylinder yet. I gotta wash all that stuff. I got a ton of washing yet to do. But I think I'll take a nap. This is just a junker ring I used to lay everything out. I'm gonna use his rings. They're in pretty good shape that were in the saw. But so I don't know. Hopefully I can get a few hour nap in, put this thing together, and he's gonna be logging with it. So I don't know, dig out long bar, and I got that big wood out there. See if we can cut some of them rounds up, get this thing running in some test cut vids. So I don't know. There's the port work on the 461R. You guys have a good one.